These decadent homemade chocolate-covered cherries are a bit of work, but very impressive to put out for dessert. Learn how to make this luscious treat with our helpful guide. In a mixing bowl, add the unsalted butter, light corn syrup, and vanilla extract. Beat with an electric mixer under medium speed. Then, add in the salt, continue beating, and gradually add in the sifted confectioner's sugar. When the mixture becomes too stiff to beat, stir with a spatula. Add the remaining confectioner's sugar, enough to make a mixture that can be kneaded. Now form the mixture into a 10-inch roll. Place it in a parchment-lined baking sheet, cover with cling foam, and set aside in the refrigerator until firm. Once firm, dust the working area with flour and place the roll. Cut it into 1-inch slices, then cut each slice into quarters. Flatten each piece of dough on the palm of your hand, then place a red maraschino cherry on the center. Fold up the fondant around the cherry until it is completely covered, then place on a parchment paper-lined baking sheet. Chill until firm. Now prepare some water for boiling and place a heat-proof bowl over a pot. Add the dark chocolate candy bars and melt over hot water. Once melted, let it cool slightly before dipping the fondant-covered cherries in the chocolate. Place them back on the baking sheet and freeze until the chocolate sets. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.